Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have probably one of the highest level spec of customizations that my team and I have ever done on a Tesla Model S. Let's get right into it, starting off with the obvious, the color change PPF wrap. Thanks to our friends at Tech, once again we've used one of their most popular colors and definitely a winner for us. Take a look at Satin Midnight Moss. What an amazing colorway, especially for PPF that will also protect your paint underneath from road rash and rock chips and door dings. But the color change is outstanding. Shifting in the sun from different shades of green, gray, black, and a beautiful satin finish. This really is a very special colorway. Now, this is a brand new Model S Plaid. So as you notice, it starts off with a theme from Tesla with this brand new matte carbon fiber inlay. And we're gonna continue with that matte kind of idea and treatment throughout the exterior. After the wrap, you'll notice that we have our matte carbon fiber side mirror covers, front fender camera covers. Because this is a Plaid, it did come with a carbon fiber wing on the deck lid over here as like a spoiler, but it's so mild and the customer wanted to go ahead and replace it with our matte carbon fiber rear wing spoiler. Absolutely stunning. Now let's go into the wheels. These are our very popular 21-inch super wide, fully forged TSW115A wheels finished in brushed clear. Absolutely cool. Looks great with the wrap and the rest of the colors and accents that are on the exterior of this car. And let's dive right into these amazing Brembo top of the line GTR series upgrade braking package, rotors, calipers, nickel plated, Brembo letters, super cool. Now, Brembo does not make a rear upgrade braking package on the aftermarket for a Model S. They don't feel it's necessary, but because this was a Plaid, it came with red brake calipers, and that's probably not gonna look very well with what's going on over here as the theme. So we refinished the rear brake caliper in a colorway very close to nickel plating to match the front, and then reapplied the Tesla letters in red on the caliper. So we kind of toned down that red performance caliper appearance that came from Tesla to match the front. And when you have one of the world's fastest production cars, you need extra strong stopping power. And this Brembo upgrade definitely gives you that. Now, you also want to try and prevent from getting a speeding ticket. And this customer chose the top of the line Escort radar detector laser diffuser system, Redline CI 360 to help prevent from getting tickets. So hidden behind the front bumper and rear bumper is a radar detector that will verbally, audibly, and visually warn you inside of any type of KA frequencies, and it's got front and rear laser diffusers to go ahead and diffuse any type of laser gun readings on speeding tickets. Again, another great top of the line option. Now, if you think this is it, absolutely not. Let me take you into the interior and show you what we did inside. So when this customer and I started having Zoom calls as a design meeting, because this car came to us all the way from Tennessee, he was truly inspired by the interior of his Ferrari, and he wanted us to go ahead and bring that theme, bring that inspiration into a Model S. And that's something that we are experts at. So we went ahead and we sourced from the tanneries in Europe the perfect leather color match to his Ferrari. Take a look at Terra Bruciata. It is a beautiful kind of cognac flavored brown leather that is so rich, and we went ahead and reupholstered, starting off with the seats using this color, and then just like the Ferrari, Monza suede perforated diamond quilted inserts. The diamond quilting is to the exact specification that Ferrari uses, and then white contrast stitching, because that's the way he has it on his Ferrari, and you know what? I think it looks great. It gives that interior a little bit of a pop. The upper dash was reupholstered in Ferrari black leather, again, for one reason only. It was already black, but he wanted that white stitch because that flows throughout the interior. Take a look at the door panels. Ferrari black leather, Terra Bruciata, and lots of gloss carbon fiber. Now, a Model S Plaid actually comes with matte carbon fiber, but he didn't like that. He wanted to have that gloss finish. So we went ahead and reimagined all interior decor pieces in a gloss finish, but did not stop there. The outer seat sides of the front seats where the controls are normally plastic, no more. They're carbon fiber. And here's a world's first for you. Take a look at the seat backs. Oh my goodness. Instead of it being a plastic shell wrapped in vinyl, it is all gloss carbon fiber. Absolutely stunning. This is the showstopper of the interior, in my opinion. But overall, everything has been reupholstered, including the headliner, which really gives it an extra nice touch. This interior is truly one of a kind. All of these customizations make this probably, like I said early on, one of the highest level of specifications that my team and I have ever done, and I am so proud to share it with you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.